When the protect your posts feature on X doesn't work properly, your private settings may not behave the way you expect. So let's go to see how to fix protect your posts on X app. The first thing you have to do is to go to X app. Here in this page, you will move to settings. Here in not here, on profile you will find this window of settings and support. Then you will go to settings and privacy. In this window you will click on privacy and safety. Then you will go here to audience and toggle. And then here on this page you will find this feature, so you tap here to enable this feature to fix that problem of protect your posts. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.